Welcome to our presentation on decoding decentralized finance transactions. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of DeFi through the lens of ego network motif mining. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a rapidly evolving and incredibly complex ecosystem. It's a space where millions of transactions occur daily, often making it challenging to understand what's truly happening beneath the surface. Think of DeFi as a dense, intricate jungle. Each transaction is a single leaf, and trying to understand the whole forest by looking at individual leaves is nearly impossible. There's a real need for novel analytical approaches to make sense of this complexity. This challenge led to the paper we're discussing today, Decoding Decentralized Finance Transactions Through Ego Network Motif Mining. Its core idea is brilliant. Instead of just looking at individual transactions, we analyze the relationships between accounts and tokens. This helps us make sense of the vast amounts of DeFi data. Before we dive deeper, let's establish a foundational understanding of DeFi. What exactly is it? At its heart, DeFi is traditional finance rebuilt on blockchain technology. Imagine digital, decentralized versions of banks, exchanges, and lending platforms, all operating without central authorities. The key feature is the elimination of middlemen like banks and brokers, giving users more direct control. The backbone of DeFi are two crucial components: smart contracts and tokens. Smart contracts are self-executing programs that automatically handle financial transactions. They're the brains of DeFi. Tokens, on the other hand, represent value or utility within this ecosystem, ranging from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether to ownership in a project. So with millions of token transfers happening constantly, how do we make sense of this massive volume of activity? This is where ego network motifs come in as a powerful solution. Token transfers are the basic units of activity in DeFi. The problem isn't just the sheer number, but how to interpret them in a meaningful way. How do we distinguish between a simple transfer and a complex lending operation? Our solution focuses on recurring patterns, or motifs, within these networks. To demystify ego network motifs, imagine a network of accounts and their transfers. An ego network focuses on all the transfers involving a single ego account. Within this personal network, motifs are recurring patterns of token transfers. By identifying these patterns, we can start to understand the underlying activities. The groundbreaking concept here is that specific motif patterns correspond to different DeFi operations. For instance, depositing funds might leave a unique signature pattern different from borrowing or swapping tokens. It's like creating a fingerprint or signature for each type of DeFi operation, allowing us to identify them even in a sea of transactions. Now let's talk about the data we used and what we found. Our analysis was fueled by Ethereum transactions from known DeFi trading accounts. The dataset comprised Ethereum transactions, specifically focusing on those from accounts labeled as DeFi traders by Etherscan. It's important to acknowledge that Etherscan labels aren't perfect, but a significant strength of this method is its effectiveness, even with incomplete or somewhat inaccurate data, making it robust in real-world scenarios. So how well did this approach work? We used machine learning models to classify transactions based on their motif patterns. The results showed good accuracy, especially considering the inherent limitations and imperfections of real-world DeFi data. This validates the power of ego network motifs in deciphering complex activities. Our key findings revealed a strong correlation between certain motifs and specific DeFi operations. This means we can predict the type of DeFi operation by simply analyzing its motif. Furthermore, by using decision trees, we gained clear interpretability, understanding exactly why our models made certain classifications. No black boxes here. These findings have significant implications, offering a powerful new lens through which to view and understand the DeFi ecosystem. And we're just getting started. Beyond classifying individual transactions, the signature motifs proved highly predictive for particular DeFi operations. This allows us to profile accounts and identify their trading activities. By clustering accounts with similar motif patterns, we can uncover different trading strategies and identify specialized accounts within the DeFi space. The big takeaways are clear. This research offers a novel way to analyze DeFi transactions, providing deeper insights even with incomplete data. It enables detailed account profiling, allowing us to identify diverse and complex DeFi behaviors that were previously hidden in the vast transaction landscape. Looking ahead, future research directions include temporal analysis, examining how account behavior evolves over time. We also plan to apply this method to even more intricate DeFi transactions, pushing the boundaries of what we can understand in this dynamic ecosystem. In conclusion, Ego network motif mining offers a powerful, interpretable, and robust method for understanding the wild world of decentralized finance. It allows us to go beyond individual transactions and truly decode the underlying activities. Thank you for your attention. We are now open for any questions and discussion you may have. We hope this presentation has shed some light on the fascinating applications of Ego network motif mining in the DeFi space.